Hello everyone, my name is Ananda Juliustin, name 202111197. Reaction of Indonesian capital market investor to the implementation of tax amnesty. This study was one event study that aimed to find empirical evidence of the reaction of Indonesian capital market investor toward the implementation of tax amnesty. The population of this study were consisting of 6 total indications listed on the Indonesian Stock Exchange during the study period. The data used were secondary data in the form of daily sectoral index 5 days before and 5 days after the event. Financial and banking journal. The capital market as one of the economic instrument of a country is heavily influenced the event. This event can come from internal companies and external companies. Event that come from internal company is a micro event. So it will only affect the fluctuation of price and volume of trading companies share, while event from external company is a macro event. So that will affect the fluctuation in price and volume of trading stock companies L sector in the capital market. This study is intended to find empirical evidence in a way that is different from previous research. According to Gianto, and even might affect only a particular company, affect a particular sector, or affect a sector in the capital market. Implementation of tax amnesty is an event affecting a sector in the capital market. Therefore, in this study is analyzed in a grade. So, abnormal return used is the abnormal return of sectoral index. This study is intended to find empirical evidence in a way that is different from previous research. According Hartono, an event might affect only a particular company, affect a particular sector, or affect all sectors in the capital market. Trading volume activity is the sales volume of any transaction that occur on the stock market at any given moment and on certain shares. Trading volume activity is one factor that gives effect to stock price movement. Trading volume is a key element in predicting stock price movement. Trading volume is seen as an important part of the information that gives the signal of the next price movement where the stock price not be delivered to the market player. We thought the population of this research are Sector Index and Indonesian Stock Exchange. In as much as sector index, this research is a census study because it uses a sectoral index lesson in IDX. So the unit of analysis of the research is which is broken with sector index. So the unit of analysis of this research is sector index on IDX. The reason for choosing a sectoral index as the unit of analysis of this research is based on consideration that the implementation of tax amnesty policy is macro-policy, affecting a combination listed on the IDX, and the impact is not only for a moment. So that in analyzing that impact must be done accurate be using sectoral index. Before this, testing of significant positive abnormal return, high 1i, and significant abnormal trading volume activity. In the period of the implementation of tax amnesty policy is used one simple test where the null hypothesis is flat abnormal return and average abnormal trading volume activity when there is 0. Result, the calculation result of descriptive statistic of overall abnormal return of sectoral index during the study period is present in the following table. Vision 1 table 2. It is known that for 5 days prior to the tax amnesty event, the average of overall abnormal return index is negative, and at the time of tax amnesty, the average of overall abnormal return index is also negative, indicating that with 5 days Prior to the time of the tax amnesty implementation, there is no reaction from the investor. Discussion. The results show that there is a discrete in abnormal return and the average between the pre-event and event date, the occurring of the amnesty that's implementation. This indication of Indonesia capital market investor between the pre-event and event date of the tax amnesty implementation. This is the test result of all witnesses show that there is no positive reaction of Indonesian capital market investor to the implementation of tax amnesty. So it's not to directly affect the Indonesian capital market. Second, the tax amnesty policy is a long-term policy whose impacts will be felt in the next few years. So the investor do not really respond to the implementation of the tax amnesty. Conclusion and suggestion. The result of research show that around the event date of the implementation of tax amnesty and between pre-event and event date of the implementation of tax amnesty, there is a decrease in abnormal return and the average volume of lending activity, which indicates the Indonesian capital market investors do not rise positively to tax amnesty fund. The result of research also show that there is an average increase of abnormal return between event date and post-event the implementation of tax amnesty and pre-event and post-event and implementation of tax amnesty. Suggestion. This research is mean adjusted model in estimation expected rate of return. Therefore, for the research, it is advisable to try to use market model and market model or use the tree model. Then the result of the calculation of the tree model can be compared to know the impact on the research result. For research, it is suggestion to develop other indicators of market reaction measures such as stock trading volume and bid-ask spread to enrich the result of the research. Thank you.